Okay, hey guys, we are doing an extreme closet clean out. I did make a video, I think it was like almost a year ago, of a cleaning out my closet, selling my clothes video. So if you want to check that up, I'll have it linked. But today we are starting the process over. We all are stuck in quarantine, so you have to find things to do, and this is what I'm doing. So here's my closet. If you watched my other closet video, then I have these like set of drawers that I just put all my swimsuits in last time, but I went ahead and got another one. It's just this room essentials 2-drawer thing. Yeah, let's just get into it. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and build my 2 shelf thingy. I honestly have no idea how to do this. I built my old one like years ago, so we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, so I'm gonna start building this. Let me just get all the pieces out. My camera's about to die, so I think I'm gonna just start building this, and then while I do that, I'm gonna charge my camera, and then once I'm done, I'll pop it back on. Build this. I'll catch up with you guys once I'm done, if I can do it. Wish me luck. Before I start, I just want to show you guys all the pieces that I'm working with. So we're gonna turn this into this. Okay, so I finished making her. Now I'm going to take a break and go eat, and then we'll get back to the closet. Okay, I'm back. I just finished eating, and now it's time to really get started. For, I guess, right now, jeez, I'm just gonna move my shelf that I made over here. Just for right now, because I am actually wanting to take out my dresser out from here. I just feel like it's taking a lot of space in my closet. Like I don't have room for long things to hang. But yeah, let's try and get my dresser out. I don't want my door to fall off. Okay, so I'm out of breath. I got my dresser out. There's the shoe stand that was just on top of it. Do you see how massive this is? Like that entire thing was in my closet, but here's my closet. Now I'm trying to think what I should do next. I really, like, I don't want my dresser in my room at all, I don't think. It's just not, it's too big. And like I already have a plan for that side of the room, and I don't want it in here. doing? Why is it moving? Okay, so I'm currently trying to get the shelf down and it's just, I kind of got it loose. It's just heavy. I really don't want it to fall on my head. Oh shoot. Hold on. How did I get this up here? Shoot. I got it. Oh God. That is my workout for the day. I'm done. We have the one. We have the second one. I do think I'm gonna keep the shoe stand in there. I'm gonna stack probably this one on the bottom. And then do I put the shoe on top and then that one, or do I do both of these and then the shoes on top, or do I do the shoe on the bottom and then these two on top? That's gonna be the question. Okay, what I think I'm gonna do is just clean everything out of my closet and sweep it, dust it, whatever, so it's like a blank canvas. Yeah. I'm never gonna wear this again. Maybe both of these things. Oh gosh. Wait, where am I going? Why am I wearing this? I just finished cleaning out all the clothes from my closet. Here's the pile of stuff that I know I for sure won't wear. Most of it are dresses and like things I wore for my old job. It's like nice shirts and everything. I'm gonna maybe keep a few of the nicer things just in case I have something that I need to wear nicer clothes for. Here are the things that I just want in the third bedroom, like this shirt and set. I literally think I wore, oops. I'm pretty sure, why are you so close? I'm pretty sure this is the set I wore in my last year's cleaning out my closet video. And I've worn that set so many times, but I don't want to get rid of it because I got that in, was it Barcelona or Madrid? Either way, I got that in Spain, and it's a brand that they don't sell here in the States, so I'm gonna keep that no matter what, just for memories. And then the dress and fur thing I showed you, and then over here, this is the pile of what I'm gonna keep so far. And then I just remembered, so that's all cleared out. That, so swimsuit. These are everything that I had in the video that I kind of just uploaded. So Levi shorts, definitely keeping those. Oh, this is a workout top. I'll keep it. Sports bra. This Boohoo If you want to see what all of these really look like, go check out my video. Okay, so I know that this drawer is just socks. These two are like sports bras, and then this drawer is underwear, so I'm not going to go through those ones. I'm just going to focus on these four here. Okay, so I just found a note from this guy. This was back when I lived in Tucson. He wrote me a note when we broke up, I guess. And I just read it. Again, like I've read it before, but it's just weird seeing it again. Okay, so this drawer is done. This is my other ex's hoodie. We can put that. Legging. I'm fine, it's fine. Okay, that's everything in the drawers. Okay, so now I'm going to figure out where I want my shelves, my shoe thing in my closet, actually. So what I'm thinking is I still want them on this side of the closet. There's absolutely no reason for this, just because I want to. But the question is, what I was asking earlier, what order do I put them in? Okay, so this is what I have. I can't tell if I like it or I hate it. Okay, whatever. I think I'm gonna keep it like that. If I don't end up liking it, I can always switch it, but for now, this is fine. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and watch some Netflix or YouTube videos while I start to hang the clothes that I know I'm for sure going to keep. Look at how empty my closet is. Got some ice cream. I'm gonna eat some of that, watch Outer Banks, and hang clothes. Yeah. Quick update. Okay guys, it's the next morning and I'm ready to get this finished. I'm sick of looking at my room and it's a mess, so we're gonna finish this today and then see the big reveal. So far this morning I was just going through the clothes that I know I'm for sure going to keep, and so I have them here. Let me show you. It's just everything on my bed, so pretty much I just have to now put that in my closet and figure out how I'm going to organize that. And then I do still have all of my swimsuits that I need to figure out where to put. I'm gonna go through them actually and figure out which ones like fit me, which ones I'll really wear, so I can try and get those down because I have too many. So I'm gonna go through that. I'm gonna put this stuff in my closet And yeah, hopefully we can get this done. I'm excited. So let's do this. Okay, so now that I finished that, I'm gonna go through my swimsuits. So let's do this thing. Okay, as you can see, I did get rid of about half of my swimsuits, which is really good for me. Not too mad, but now I really think the only thing I have to do is shoes. Here's my dog, Linky. Oh, Link. Okay guys, I am officially done with my closet, and are you ready to see the final reveal? I'm actually so excited. I did work pretty hard on this and I think it looks really good, and I'm just excited to show you guys how it turned out. So let's do it. So here we have this side of my closet. As you can see, I did put some shoes there, so let's just walk through it. So here's just that headscarf I was showing you here, and then I have one of my bags. This gym set is actually my friend's, so I just left it on top so I can remember to give that to her. And then I do have my jewelry, school ID, all that there, and just a pair of sunglasses. And then in this top drawer, I really just have like sports bra and underwear, and then this one here, I have more leggings and like some comfy shorts. And then when we get to the shoes, I don't have all of them in here right now. Most of them are downstairs, and then there's, I think, probably some pairs in my car, honestly. And then here we just have some t-shirts, and then down here are my swimsuits. And then let's get to this side. So just starting from here, I have my belt hook. I think that's the only belt I have, honestly. I have a few extra hangers, and then we just go through the clothes. And then I do have this ottoman here, like it's just this white snakeskin-ish, opens up. What I think I have planned for this is like my tripod, maybe all my charging cords, something like that, just so it's a little bit more storage and I don't have them laying around my room when I'm done with them. But guys, that's it. It's kind of crazy like where it started off as. I don't know if you guys remember, but it was not organized at all, as far as like I have all my shirts and then I have all my pants, and it's color coordinated, just like things like that. It's kind of all over the place. All of my hangers are matching now, which is huge. And it just looks a lot cleaner than before, and I really like how taking out my dresser gave me so much more room. And for the most part, I did get to still fit everything I wanted in here. I did have to put quite a bit of clothes in the third bedroom because they were clothes like I wasn't sure or not. These are all the clothes I 100% love, and the other clothes are like things that I've maybe worn a lot more, or like I can see myself wearing them. It's just not anytime soon, maybe, or like for only special occasions. But this is all the stuff that I 100% love. I love how it turned out. It just looks so clean and so like put together. I don't know. So yeah guys, that is it. Okay guys, that is this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you did, and comment down below what more you'd want to see from me. Don't forget to follow me on Insta if you'd like. But that's it. I'll see you next time.